Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Pokemon Go account without email and Facebook. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to recover your Pokemon Go account, first you need to open up your Pokemon Go application. Once you open up your application, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. On this interface, you'll be asked whether you're a returning player or new player. Since you are recovering your account, so click on returning player. So you'll be directed to the login interface. So in the right hand side corner, you'll be able to see an option as sign in. Just click on it. Once you click on this option, you need to open up your web browser and then you'll be taken to the help center. Once you're on this page, you need to scroll down and then you need to scroll down till you find the option contact us. Right in between, you'll be able to find an option as contact us. Click on it. As you click on contact us, now you'll need to submit a report. So for that, first thing you need to do is provide your username that is associated with your Pokemon Go account. Type in the email address, any email address through which they can contact you. And for the third category, you need to select the issue. So click on the arrow icon and click on sign in issue from the list. You'll need to submit a report stating that you're unable to recover your account since you don't have access of your email and your Facebook. You can type in such as, "Hi support team, I'm unable to recover my account since I have no access of my contact information." Once you're done typing in your report, next you can even attach a file. If you have any picture or video that shows the evidence that you're unable to recover your account, then you can simply click on the paperclip icon and then select the folder in order to add it over here. And right at the bottom, you need to select the preferred language. Click on it and then select it accordingly, the language type, and click on submit. Next interface will be receiving a notification stating that the request has been submitted, and it will usually take 24 hours to respond to you, so you have to wait until 24 hours and you'll be able to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Pokemon Go account without email and Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.